Okay, so first impressions, is that your bed? And this is my bed.
No, actually, we're swapping today.
No, that's your bed.
No,
for the small person.
No, listen, Mia. You keep getting the double bed, so I think I should get the double bed this time.
No, this one's mine.
It's not, you bitch.
Anyway. The guy at the reception said that we'd have like a really nice view, and I feel like a bit let down.
I've been lied to.
We've got like a tiny view of Wembley Stadium. But so we have well and truly settled into the hotel room. We've made ourselves quite at home. It's only been like half an hour. Gemma's in the toilet right now. We've unpacked everything. It looks a mess. But we are settled in for a little bit, and now we are heading to go and do some shops on Oxford Street. The last time I came to London, which was last week, they had a pop mart, so I'm gonna have a quick nosy in that, and then we're just gonna do a few shops on the street before coming back here to Wembley and grabbing some food. But yeah, we might as well make use of the nice sunshine weather that we've got. Also, I had my bangs cut the other day, and I have no idea where this curl has come from in my hair. It's not on this side, but this side is like really curly. I'm not sure where that's come from, but I've had my hair cut and my fringe, my bangs put back in, so just in time for the concert. But yeah, come on Gemma, we're going. Bershka first. We found Pop Mart. Look at it. They're cute, aren't they? Got Naruto. Yeah.
That's so pretty.
They are. They're pretty. Look at them. I'm gonna keep it in. So yes, money was spent today, very much. But I don't think we spent too much. I feel like we did pretty well. So the first shop was Bershka, and we got this from Bershka. With me and Gemma both got matching jumpers. It's very soft material, and this was £18.19, which was in the sale, so that was a good buy. The rest that we got were from TK Maxx, just because.
I mean, they were from Bershka, but
Yeah.
they were in TK Maxx, and we got them for a cheaper price. So you know,
Yes.
I really would not be complaining.
So this was the top that I got.
TK Maxx is a cheap.
TK Maxx is really good for clothes. So this actually cost £6. Very cute. Again, it's very soft material. And then I got this peach serum. I really liked what it said it would do. The perfect serum infused with pleasant peach extract and collagen to help plump and firm your skin, which I think is something that I've been looking for trying with my skin. So yeah, I got this from TK Maxx. This was also £6, so pretty cheap. Yes, so this is all of the stuff that we got from Pop Mart. complete bag full.
It wasn't over 100, so
I feel like it was very fairly priced. So I have got quite a few different selections, some of which I'm going to open now with my sister, and then I'm going to do a separate video for the other pops. Look at this. It was my sister that spotted this. This is the KDA.
No, actually, I spotted it, and then I said it looks like KDA from League of Legends. And then we walked, like, what were we trying to get? Jujutsu
We just
Kaisen
walked around the
ones.
whole shop.
We were going back for the Jujutsu Kaisen ones,
Mm-hmm.
and then it said KDA on it.
Mm-hmm.
And then I said, look, I was right, it was KDA. I had a good, what do you call it?
Sense.
Not even sense, it was like
So we got one each of them.
recognition.
I got a couple of these. Gemma got the Hello Kitty one. And the anime one. The rest of what's in here I'm gonna kind of save for another video. Yes. So we're gonna open the KDA ones. Okay. I want this to be a clean rip. Yes, a clean rip. It's not a clean rip.
No.
Try not to damage the box because it's gonna have to go home in this.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Well,
I'll wait for you. I've clearly got in mine too fast.
I've got scissors. Can I go get my scissors?
You just do this.
See, I was messing with
That's why I said clean rip.
Oh!
Yay, clean rip.
Oh.
Okay. Ready? Oh, it's sealed, so I don't know which one. How to open it? Hold up.
Of course it's always me.
Alfred just said, you need to preserve the box. It's going to open it.
Listen, it's fine.
Don't look, in case it tells you what you've got. Okay. You ready? It says who they are on there. Yes. I'm not bothered who I get. I think they're all cool. Okay. You have a little bit of a seal on it, so
Oh! Ah! What's a bag in a bag?
It is a bag in a bag.
What?
I like how it's protected. Very much protected.
Oh, okay. I got this one.
Okay.
You got. Is that so? No, it's not.
No, it's
Harry. I've got Akari. Look at that.
Ari. So cute. Yay. She's so pretty. I like her little foxy ears. Very cute.
Yeah.
So Gemma's gonna open her other two on camera for us.
Yes.
The Hello Kitty ones. I love blind boxes. I think it's just the suspense of not knowing what you've got.
Clean.
Clean, yeah. So which one are you hoping to get first?
Oh. I like all of them.
Yeah, because they all contain Corona, which is your favourite, so.
Oh, well, Hello Kitty is my favourite. I
Yeah.
like all of them.
Okay.
The one where she sat on a sofa.
Okay.
I want the one where she sat on a sofa.
Okay.
And the sellotape. The sellotape.
Oh, that's the second lid that
The
she's ripped
sellotape
off.
has not done me any justice today. Would you like some?
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. Well, took my hand off then. I got the motorcycle one.
Okay.
I actually do quite like that one. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, cute.
It's a crew.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
There's a little hat thing come down. That is really cool. That flips up and down. Okay, next box.
Okay. I got a Jujutsu Kaisen one.
There was Spy X
do you-
Family one.
Yeah, but they only did the little girl, which I didn't mind.
There
but
wasn't
I
like
would have
a-
wanted. I have a favourite, and it's not the little girl, so that's why I didn't get it.
Mhm.
Please, do you fans like anime?
I guess so.
I hope they don't flame me in the comments because I haven't even watched season 2 of this Jujutsu Kaisen. I've only watched season 1. Right. I've had enough of you.
Yay, clean wrap.
Yeah, but watch this, yeah. I'm gonna do the same thing.
Wow.
Oh my
okay.
god!
That was a clean unboxing.
There you go.
Thank you.
I'm not looking at the bottom. Oh, what's he called? Yeah, I know who I've got. I can't believe I forgot who he's called.
Okay.
Wait, where's the box?
The box.
Got
Oh,
that guy.
okay. Main character.
Yeah, Itadori, there we go. I can't believe I forgot the name. I'm so sorry.
Matchin. Yes, we bought matchin.
Yeah, Mum's gonna torture us with this washing up.
She always gets confused with the washing. Anyway, we're listening to Aespa, getting prepared for tomorrow, the big day. So weird because there's nothing like marking it around the arena. There's no like merchandise stand or anything. There's no advertisements.
For Itsy there was a stand outside the Wembley Arena, but we ate, what was it? We ate like near opposite the Wembley Arena, and there was like no stand on, nothing for Aespa, so we don't really know.
I keep checking the tickets just to make sure that they actually are touring tomorrow. But
because we've seen no fans, no nothing.
we haven't
really.
seen anything going on, so
But
and they haven't
Itsy,
even
it's so different.
like advertised any like random play dances or anything. But we'll keep our eyes open. But anyway, tomorrow is a big day, so we're calling it a night. Just need to do my nails and then, yeah, calling it a night. There's the merchandise box. Okay, so we've just had breakfast. I've never been to a concert like this.